Radha Vallabh Sri Harivansh, and a very good evening to you all, guys. So basically, this is a motivation period for you all because I wanted to give it to you because even I was not doing well in my life. Matlab, these days as well, if I talk about, I was feeling so demotivated, because I was unwell, and second, I was not following my diet and I was not doing exercise because I was unwell, and I was giving myself excuses that because I'm unwell, I won't do anything. I just scrolled for 9 hours straight or 10 hours straight, and when I saw that time, it was so heartbreaking for me that I can't even tell you right now. But then I was like doing something, then I found my diary basically, and I read something very beautiful that I have written a long time ago, and it was so motivating also. And I also watched so many motivated videos also of Shivin, so basically you all must be knowing. And I just wanted to read it loud for you, and I just wanted to say this from like by making my heart open to you guys. That let me read it out for you. So, if you are also feeling, very low these days, so let me tell you, this is a karmic cycle. Basically, it comes in everyone's, life that there will be highs and lows. But yes, everyone's karmic cycle is different, and it happens at different stages of life. So be happy, and you will be relieved so soon. And if happen next time, you'll know how to deal with it. So stay happy. And it's not like you won't be able to achieve anything, because हमें लगता है कि like अभी मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, I'm just doing so much of unnecessary scrolling and all, भी like मैं कभी कुछ कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी अगर मेरा पीछे का रिकॉर्ड बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेकार है, तो like उसकी एक अलग चीज़ है, बट यार हमारा पीछे का रिकॉर्ड अच्छा होता है, like हम कुछ दिन ऐसे आते हैं जब हम नहीं कर पाते, तो ये उस टाइम के लिए कि like I know that हमें ये लगता है कि we won't be able to achieve anything, but believe me, you are way stronger, intelligent, smart, mindful than you think yourself to be. So just never underestimate yourself. And next, don't take things so hard on yourself. People just randomly say a lot without thinking twice, but this is how it is, and so you need to be prepared कि सबकी सुननी है लेकिन करने अपनी मन की, and people will try to pull you, demotivate you, but you know what is the harsh reality. So don't be scared of it, just have faith. And I think this is what pariksha is, when you are tested. So be prepared and do naam jap. And final answer is, take a break and share everything and be relaxed and have faith, and every phase passes. So just be relaxed. So like मैंने अभी जो read किया था that I have written along before, it was basically in my personal diary that I have written. So basically मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी, like it's, I think we all are struggling with this thing, that we are not able to discipline, not able to discipline. We are we are indulged in continuous scrolling for so many hours, and we are not even taking it as a problem. That is the biggest problem of not taking it as a problem, right? But I'll say ki, like, just stop it now and just do it. Just use the forest app. I have seen Shivan sir's video a lot, and now I'll be regular to my studies from now on only, and I'll be regular to everything because my exams are also coming, and I want you to be regular, and I want you to be a part of my journey as well. It any way, like, अगर आपको ये अच्छी लगा हो और आपको लगा हो मोटिवेटिंग था, तो जस्ट मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी कि लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, तुम्हारा मन है तो करो, नहीं करना तो मत करो. It is just a way of my dealing with problems, of how I want to rent out my things out. That's the only reason that I have opened YouTube for. So I'm just thankful for everything. Radha Vallabh Sri Harivansh.